What if I told you that the most reliable SUVs aren't always the newest or most expensive ones? There's a 2015 Subaru Forester in northern regions with 300,000 miles that's still running strong with original powertrain. Today, we're counting down 7 mechanic-recommended SUVs that defy expectations and deliver legendary reliability. And stick around because number 1 will absolutely shock you with its bulletproof durability. Number 7. Subaru Forester, 2014 to 2025. When Subaru engineers designed Forester, they apparently forgot that SUVs are supposed to be complicated and expensive to maintain. The Boxer 4-cylinder naturally aspirated engine was remarkably straightforward. It was surprisingly solid engineering. Subaru tested this engine in conditions that would make Arctic expeditions look comfortable. The result? A powertrain that regularly crosses 200,000 miles while maintaining factory smoothness, delivering 182 horsepower with the dependability of a Swiss timepiece, giving the Forester adequate power for daily driving while sipping fuel politely. The Boxer engine layout provides low center of gravity for better handling, though older models had minor oil consumption issues that are manageable with regular monitoring. The CVT transmission was calibrated for seamless operation and impressive durability that embarrassed competitors. Post-warranty Forester ownership is like discovering automotive common sense. You get proven reliability, excellent visibility, and practical design at prices that make financial advisors smile. While Toyota RAV4 owners were dealing with more complex systems, Forester owners enjoyed the simplicity of constantly engaged symmetrical AWD. The maintenance schedule reads like a joke compared to German SUVs. Oil changes every 6,000 miles. Basic services as needed. That's it. No $600 electronic system diagnostics. No $800 special fluid flushes. No $1,200 complex repair procedures. Smart buyers are snapping up used Foresters because they offer proven reliability without the complexity premium. Number 6. Honda CR-V. 2017 to 2025, Honda looked at Mazda CX-5's sporty aspirations and said, "Let's build something that just works forever." The naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine was impressively built. It was genuinely dependable engineering. Honda tested this powertrain in conditions that would make commercial trucking look gentle. The result? An engine so reliable that mechanics call these vehicles boring because nothing ever breaks, delivering 190 horsepower with the smoothness of aged whiskey, giving the CR-V refined power delivery that lasts for hundreds of thousands of miles. Honda's proven powertrains were tested extensively before production, though early models had occasional infotainment glitches, typically covered under warranty. The CVT transmission was one of industry's most durable, providing seamless shifts that made driving effortless. Post-warranty CR-V ownership is like having a reliability insurance policy. You get excellent build quality, logical engine bay layout, and proven durability at prices that feel like highway robbery. While Mazda CX-5 owners were admiring fancy interiors, CR-V owners were enjoying lower repair bills and better resale value. The maintenance schedule is shockingly simple compared to European competitors. Oil changes every 7,500 miles. Basic fluid services. Nothing else. No $500 sensor replacements. No $700 module programming. No $900 complex system repairs. Smart buyers are choosing CR-Vs because they represent the sweet spot between reliability, practicality, and ownership costs. Number 5. Mazda CX-5. 2017 to 2025, Mazda accidentally built an SUV with luxury-level build quality at mainstream prices. The naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine was exceptionally reliable. It was quite robust engineering. Mazda tested this engine in conditions that would make normal commuting look like luxury. The result? A power plant that delivers consistent performance while maintaining remarkable efficiency. delivering 187 horsepower with the precision of a master craftsman, giving the CX-5 spirited performance without sacrificing reliability. Skyactiv technology prioritizes both efficiency and reliability, though early models had minor infotainment issues that were resolved in later versions. The 6-speed automatic transmission was traditional yet brilliant, providing smooth shifts that lasted the life of the vehicle. Post-warranty CX-5 ownership is like finding a luxury car cheat code. You get premium build quality, extensive corrosion protection, and sophisticated driving dynamics at prices that embarrass luxury brands. These cars lose about 45% of their value in 5 years, then stabilize because of their reputation for quality and reliability. While Honda CR-V owners had adequate transportation, CX-5 owners enjoyed driving dynamics that rivaled European luxury vehicles. The maintenance schedule makes financial sense compared to luxury competitors. Oil changes every 7,500 miles, transmission service every 60,000 miles. End of story. No $400 electronic adjustments, no $600 special tool requirements, no $800 complex system recalibrations. Smart buyers are discovering that CX-5 ownership delivers European driving pleasure with Japanese reliability economics. Number 4. Toyota Highlander, 2020 to 2025. When Toyota engineers designed Highlander, they apparently forgot that 3-row SUVs are supposed to be expensive to maintain. The V6 and hybrid engine options were remarkably refined. They were impressively built power plants. Toyota tested these engines in conditions that would make family minivans look fragile. The result? Powertrains that combine robust performance with exceptional efficiency, delivering 295 horsepower with the smoothness of flowing silk, giving the Highlander effortless acceleration while maintaining Toyota's legendary reliability. Toyota's hybrid system reliability transferred from millions of Prius miles to the SUV platform, creating one of the most dependable 3-row vehicles available. The 8-speed automatic transmission was calibrated for silk-smooth shifts that made every drive comfortable and predictable. Post-warranty Highlander ownership is like experiencing automotive nirvana. You get proven V6 reliability, conservative engineering, and 3-row practicality at prices that make large family transportation affordable. While Honda Pilot owners dealt with transmission concerns, Highlander owners enjoyed Toyota's bulletproof reputation and higher resale value. The maintenance schedule reads like a dream compared to European 3-rows. Oil changes every 10,000 miles. Basic services as scheduled. Nothing complicated. No $500 air suspension repairs. No $700 electronic module failures. No $900 complex system diagnostics. Smart buyers are choosing Highlanders because they represent the pinnacle of family-focused reliability and sensible ownership costs. If you're enjoying this countdown of reliable SUVs, smash that like button to help others discover these mechanical gems. Now back to our number 1 pick that redefines luxury SUV reliability. Number 3. Toyota 4Runner, 2025 to 2025. Toyota looked at Jeep Wrangler's off-road reputation and said, "Let's build something that actually lasts." The naturally aspirated V6 engine was perfection itself. It was mechanical nirvana. Toyota tested this engine in conditions that would make Mad Max vehicles weep. The result? An engine so bulletproof that it could survive anything short of nuclear warfare, delivering 270 horsepower of automotive poetry, giving the 4Runner rugged capability with the reliability of a bedrock foundation. Traditional body-on-frame construction with modern reliability touches, though some models experienced minor dashboard cracking and transmission cooler line leaks. The automatic transmission was built for legendary durability, providing shifts so seamless that off-roading became meditation on mechanical perfection. Post-warranty 4Runner ownership is like discovering automotive time travel. You get body-on-frame toughness, mechanical simplicity, and proven transfer case technology at prices that feel like stealing. These cars lose only 35% of their value in 5 years, then stabilize because of legendary reliability and strong resale value that makes them financial assets. While Jeep Wrangler owners budgeted for constant repairs, 4Runner owners enjoyed rugged capability without the breakdowns. The maintenance schedule is remarkably simple for a serious off-roader. Oil changes every 5,000 miles. Basic services as needed. That's it. No $600 electronic terrain management repairs. No $800 complex four-wheel drive system fixes. No $1,200 sophisticated suspension rebuilds. Smart buyers are accumulating 4Runners because they represent the last of the truly durable, simple, and reliable SUVs. Number 2. Honda Pilot. 2019 to 2025. Honda accidentally created the perfect balance of size, capability, and reliability in the three-row SUV segment. The V6 engine was engineering masterpiece. It was exceptionally reliable power delivery. Honda tested this engine in conditions that would make family road trips look like luxury tours. The result? A powertrain that combines robust performance with Honda's legendary engineering excellence, delivering 280 horsepower with the refinement of a luxury vehicle, giving the Pilot effortless towing capacity and smooth highway manners. Honda engineering excellence packaged in a three-row format, though some model years had transmission issues that were addressed under warranty extensions. The automatic transmission provided shifts so seamless that passengers questioned whether they were actually moving. Post-warranty Pilot ownership is like having a luxury car crystal ball. You get proven V6 reliability, simple AWD system, and conservative engineering at prices that make three-row luxury accessible. While Toyota Highlander owners enjoyed reliability, Pilot owners experienced Honda's sportier driving dynamics and more engaging road manners. The maintenance schedule is straightforward compared to European alternatives. Oil changes every 7,500 miles. Transmission service every 60,000 miles. Nothing else. No $500 electronic throttle body replacements. No $700 complex sensor arrays. No $900 sophisticated system recalibrations. Smart buyers are discovering that Pilots deliver Honda's engineering excellence in a practical three-row package that lasts for decades. Number 1. Lexus GX. 2010 to 2025. When Lexus engineers designed the GX, they apparently forgot that luxury SUVs are supposed to be expensive and unreliable. The V8 and twin-turbo V6 engines were automotive perfection. They were mechanical nirvana. Lexus tested these engines in conditions that would make Antarctic expeditions look comfortable. The result? Powertrains so over-engineered that Toyota accountants probably had nightmares about production costs, delivering 301 horsepower of effortless luxury, giving the GX refinement that embarrasses European competitors while maintaining bulletproof reliability. Ultra-reliable Toyota Land Cruiser Prado platform with Lexus luxury refinement, creating what many consider the most durable luxury SUV ever built. The automatic transmission was calibrated for silk-smooth shifts that made every drive feel like meditation on mechanical perfection. Post-warranty GX ownership is like discovering automotive immortality. You get over-engineered components, under-stressed systems, and body-on-frame durability at prices that feel like financial genius. These cars lose about 40% of their value in 5 years, then stabilize because of legendary reliability and the luxury combination that makes them timeless. While Mercedes GLE owners budgeted for air suspension disasters, GX owners enjoyed simple, reliable systems that lasted for hundreds of thousands of miles. The maintenance schedule is a joke compared to German luxury. Oil changes every 10,000 miles. Basic services as scheduled. End of story. No $1,500 air suspension replacements. No $2,000 electronic module failures. No $3,000 complex system repairs. Smart buyers are quietly accumulating GXs because they represent the pinnacle of luxury SUV reliability and long-term value retention. That's your countdown of 7 mechanic-recommended SUVs that deliver exceptional reliability and smart ownership value. Which one shocked you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I bet most of you didn't expect a Lexus to claim the reliability crown, proving that luxury and durability can coexist beautifully. Hit subscribe for more automotive reliability secrets and smart buying advice. And remember, sometimes the smartest money buys used SUVs that have already proven their reliability through years of dependable service.